Welcome to the project demonstration of Intelligent Access Control System for granary based on face recognition and oxygen concentration. So the main features of this project is using RFID and Pi camera. We are going to provide the access granted to this chamber. So this chamber is consist of a door, so which is can access the grants inside this storage system. And also if the person is trying to access this chamber, then he or she has to show the RFID tag to this near the RFID reader, and after showing the RFID tag, the system will check the oxygen levels, means gas levels inside this chamber. So if it is normal, then the system will capture the photo using this Pi camera, and the face was recognized properly, then it will send a message to the registered phone number. That message consists of OTP, so which is randomly generated OTP, and by entering the same OTP from this keypad, the system will access to the door by controlling the door in opening and closing. And once we enter into this chamber, we can access the door from the inside the chamber using this button. So this is a button to control the door from inside, and these two control buttons to store and erase the face stored inside this Raspberry Pi 3 B place. So using this enroll button, we can enroll the new persons, and using this format button, we can erase the existing data set. And coming to the component wise, so this is GSM module to send the OTP, and RFID reader EM18 to provide the authentication to the RFID tags, Pi camera for face recognition, two control buttons, enroll and formats, and keypad to OTP from this 4x4 matrix keypad, and LCD display continuously will show the status. And this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the input and output modules. And this one is the L293D motor driver to control this door, which we attach it to the rack and pinion mechanism. So inside this chamber we can see this DC motor attached to the rack and pinion mechanism to control the sliding door mechanism. And this one is the MQ2 gas and smoke sensor, which will detect the gas levels inside this chamber. And this one is a regulated power supply board to provide the power supply to the GSM module and RFID reader. So as we are providing the separate power supply for these two and separate power supply for this Raspberry Pi 3 B place. And one more thing, every time the system when we access that, it will send the mail alert whether it is access granted or access denied, along with image of the particular person who is trying to access the door. Okay, and the next feature is ThinkSpeak. So from the ThinkSpeak, we can access the data, how many members are entered and at which time, along with the date and time. So let us see the demonstration. So before demonstration, I will show you the ThinkSpeak details to clear them. So log into the ThinkSpeak cloud platform. After that, so before erasing, go to data import exports and download the data. So once we download it, it will open in Excel sheet. So once we see that, there we can see the how many entries till now happened, and date and time at which the person entered. And the next, after downloaded that, go to channel settings, and in that only do clear channel. Right. So once channel got cleared, now go to private view. Private view to access the live data, channel settings to clear the channel, and data import export to download the data. Now the old data got erased. Now before demonstration, first of all, go to hotspot settings of your phone and configure the hotspot name to project 6705 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 129 123456789. AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So after enabling the hotspot and data, now log into the ThinkSpeak and stay on the screen. Now first on the power supply to this cable, so which is provide the power supply, and before that insert the SIM card in this manner. Okay, the notch should be this side, place that and insert right on the power supply to this GSM. So you can see one light will blink fast initially, right? It's blinking fast. Once it blinks around 3 seconds of duration gap, then indication of the GSM modem got the signal for the SIM card. Right now it is got the signal. Now on the power supply to this Raspberry Pi. Right, once we on the power supply to this, it will take around 20 to 30 seconds for booting into the operating system which we loaded inside this memory card, which is 32 GB class 10. So the process is like, initially we need to show the tag, then it will check the gas levels, if it is normal, then face recognition, then send OTP and enter OTP, then access granted. Every time it will send the email and upload the data to the ThinkSpeak. Right, we can see one device is connected into your mobile phone, right, one device is connected. And after that it will be a welcome message displayed and the buzzer will be on and off 2 times. Right, now, so when we show the RFID tag, so we should sit in front of this camera. Our eye should be the level of this spy camera. Now let us see that. So this is an unauthorized tag. So when we show this unauthorized tag near this, so it will display that on the LCD tag number along with unauthorized tag over there. And the next, when we show this proper tag, right, so it will, right, so on the LCD display you can see access granted and it will sending the mail. So you can see the process on LCD display, the LCD. Right, access granted and mail sent. Now sending OTP. Now you can see the ThinkSpeak. It will provide the granted for the person 1 and we received the OTPs 3386. So enter the OTP. Keep LCD 3386. Once we enter that, access granted and door open. And after some time it will close this automatically. Door was closed here. And in the ThinkSpeak, the data upload already. And coming to the mail, so we received the now 520. Right, so the mail access granted for the person here. Okay, and the next for person unauthorized. So let us see that. Krishna, not stored inside this. So the tag, he has the access granted tag, but the person was access denied, right? You can see that access denied here. The buzzer is continuously on. Now we will receive the email also. Right, access denied email also, we have received that. So-called person got trying to access this. So this is the email for person access granted and denied. Let us see the how to enroll the new faces inside this. So for that, just press and hold this F button. So press and holding this on LCD, we can see the deleting the database. Only the first person is provided access granted. That's why when we are storing the granted person, then erase the old data and sit according to this height and press and hold the enroll button. Right, so enrolling now person 1. Okay, so I am sitting in front of that. We can see the count is increasing. So it will take around 45 images sample. Right, I am pausing the video till the count increases. Okay. Right, you can see that. Okay, so once the 45 count reached, then enroll successfully. Now store the another person. That another person, same process, enroll and hold this button, enrolling. Now the person 2, because already the person 1 is enrolled. That's why when you formatted that, then the system will go with the person 1 to again increase that. Right, now access denied for this new person. So right, we can say this. This is the person for access denied. Now, right, now let us see the gas also. So when we are showing the gas, the second light will get switched on. So when we show the RFID tag, so it will display the directly gas alert. Until the gas cleared, then it will entering into the normal face recognition mode. Right.